Good evening. Ontario announces who will get vaccinated when. But if you're under 60, be prepared. You're going to have to wait until late summer. The Ford government is under fire for falling behind other provinces, although the Premier maintains Ontario is leading the pack.
We're leading the entire country in the number of vaccines administered.
Ontario is actually behind a number of provinces like Quebec and Alberta when it comes to administering first doses, but ahead of them on second doses. So here is the timeline for who will get them next in Ontario after long-term care residents. Starting the week of March 15th, people who are 80 and up can be vaccinated. On April 15th, 75 and up. May 1st, 70. And June 1st, 65. This timeline had the Premier on the defensive because while in Ontario, people who are 75 can't get jabbed until April 15th, in Alberta, they can get vaccinated now.
The population of Alberta is a little over 4 million. We're upwards to 15 million, and it's simple as that.
Provinces, however, are given vaccines based on population. Ontario is also slower getting its reservation system set up. Quebec is launching an online vaccination booking system this week. Alberta launched its today, although not without challenges, which Doug Ford pointed out.
They put up their website, bang, it's crashed.
The government again went on the defensive when it announced its online booking site will not be up and running until March 15th, along with a telephone system. The same week, vaccinations for those 80 and over begin.
We are now furiously working to do the final stages of preparation to test it thoroughly.
Retired General Rick Hillier says vaccines will first start in mass vaccination centres. Then they will be available in pharmacies and doctors' offices. But there are many questions the government still doesn't have answers to, like which essential workers will be vaccinated first, and when people in high-risk communities or with underlying health conditions could be immunized. The opposition had a field day slamming the government, insisting it's had months to prepare the answers to all these questions.
I think it's pretty clear that the message this government is sending to Ontarians is we got no answers. We got no plan. We got no answers. We're making it up on the fly.
How is it we're at the beginning of March and we're not ready?
Vaccinations are having a massive impact on long-term care homes. The number of COVID-positive residents dropped to 109 today. That's down from over 1,000 a month ago. The Ford government also announced free tuition to train 6,000 personal support workers today. It's a great move, but the question has to be asked. Why only now, when the shortage of PSWs has been a critical problem during this pandemic?